Welcome back, everybody. This is Chris Gault, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on week 17 of our move from Maryland to California. And you know, we've been in California, but we still don't have our permanent place. We're still waiting for that. So while we're waiting, we decided to go on a bike ride because even though it's like November 17th, it's like 80 degrees and beautiful here in San Diego County. So, Robin, you got something to say?
No, it is a beautiful day, and I'm so happy Chris came out on this bike ride with me. We're calling it our coffee and farmers market ride. So we rode to the town that's like a town up from where we're living, but it's a nice, beautiful day. The scenery is gorgeous, you know, the ocean and everything. So
we did substitute the coffee for iced tea, though. Anyway. All right, so we're in Agua Lagoon and we're just taking our dog around, and I'm going to show you a little bit of her running around, but this is in Carlsbad, California, and it's just an amazingly beautiful day again. Seems like every day is beautiful here, and here it is in November, and it's still an amazingly beautiful day, so we're very grateful for that. Anyway, let me show you around. We're going to jump in. Nope, I guess not. Looks like she wants to jump in the water, but then she gets scared of it. Hey, Snickers, you gonna jump in? No. Dog is getting into a barking match with these other two little puppies here. Snickers, stop barking. Uh-oh, what are you guys doing? Oh, I don't want to step on anybody. I don't want to step on anybody. Why are you guys barking? Snickers, why are you barking? You gonna jump in, Snickers?
you're running a lot, Snickers.
Unfortunately, we can't take you off the leash, but oh, Snickers! Did you get wet?
What do you think? Oh, Snickers!
Oh man, we have to walk her longer just to get her right up. They're gonna pass me. Snickers, what are you doing? Why'd you run?
You have to run around your dad.
So I don't know if you can see that bird up there, but it's some kind of falcon just hanging out. So anyway, I just thought I'd show it to you as I was walking down the streets of Carlsbad. So this is another only in California moment. This is someone's house. We just happen to be walking by because we're walking our dog. And this is what's up in someone's balcony. Not sure what to say about that. All right, we are finishing up. We're almost done. It was a little bit of a tough one, but we're just about done with it, so we're glad we got it done. We're done, in fact. So one thing I want to show is this is probably the first day where we saw clouds in the sky since we've been in California. So I just wanted to show you that. It's gonna rain here, but rain or shine, we're out here running, and we actually need the rain here, so we're glad that that it's raining. Anyway, have a good one, everybody. Robin, anything?
No, it is the first. It's a first, so hopefully not a whole lot more.
Right. Don't look like it rains a whole lot here. Well, it's been a couple of days of rain here, which I think we needed because it was pretty dry. But if you look at that, sun's back out, so it's getting warm again. So we're liking that. And so I just want to show you that yeah, it does rain here a little bit once in a while, but it's pretty much dry and beautiful most of the year. So anyway, talk to you a little bit. Is in here. The rugs are not in yet. Looks like the floor is all done in the bathroom. Looks like the bathrooms are all done. Still need to put the rug in.
Can we walk on that? When did the floor?
Staircase still needs to be worked on.
Oh, we forgot the measurement tape.
So it looks like the kitchen's pretty much done. And all the cabinets are done. It looks like this is the little deck out here. So this is just a little deck outside of the kitchen. Still have to replace that. And this is the view again from outside. We got a lot of trees out there. All right, so now we're going up to the 3rd floor. Oh yeah, right. So they finished all that. That looks a lot better now. Up here, the railing has got the right color now. And this is the master bedroom. Looks like it's all finished painted, it looks like. And the floor isn't in yet, which these are all gonna be rugs. They haven't put the rug in yet. They got the floor in here. You can't really see it because under the paper, but that's the tile right there. And then you got the shower. It just looks like it's completed. And this is one of the doors. And that's tiled. And the closet looks the same. I think actually it looks like it's been painted now. Again, so it looks a lot better than it did. I guess they're not going to paint those little rods. I thought they would have painted that. You know, but they're keeping the natural wood. So you can see the
See that right there?
yeah, so they probably have to fix that. They'll fix that. And but it looks like they're working on that now. It looks like they're fixing things as we speak.
This looks terrible. I don't know if they're done with that or if that's just dirty. See that?
Yeah, it's probably dirt. I think they just need to clean that off. And anyway. All right, so now I'm just gonna go up to the deck. The main reason why we bought this place was the rooftop deck. So now I'm outside actually, and so that's one little view as you're heading up. There's some stairs here. And one of the reasons why we did this is because of the beautiful view we get of the ocean over there. And you can see that. It's just a very, very nice view of the ocean. And that's the Pacific Coast Highway right there. So that's what we're going to be on. And if you heard of it, the Pacific Coast Highway is really a really nice road, and we're going to be right on it. So it's going to be a lot of fun because a lot of fun places, a lot of fun businesses on it. And this will be where Snickers will go. We're going to put a dog carpet there so she can go to the bathroom there. And anyway, I'll show you the rest of it as it goes. As it builds, we'll show you some more. Yeah, so one thing we're going to do is we're going to really enjoy that view that's behind me. So we'll have to set it up, chairs up here, so that you can see over the ledge. So we might get like those, like a bar type of thing. So the seats will be a little higher so you can see the ocean a little better. But anyway, that's going to be a lot of fun when we have people over. So Snickers, you're going to have fun at the dog beach. This is where all the dogs can run around without leashes. So we're taking Snickers to a special, this is Del Mar. It's a little bit south of Encinitas. And so we're taking her here. And she's going to play with the other dogs. All right, Snickers has already met a friend. It's also a hot air, at the dog park, there's a hot air balloon floating around up there. I guess they're just getting a good view. And we're going to go this way and see what the other dogs are doing. Snickers are going to play with the other dogs. You gonna jump in the water? No? You gonna jump in the water, Snicks? No? walking around our neighborhood in Carlsbad, and we ran across this in one of the neighbors' driveways. I think this might be, I'm not sure, but it might be a Ford Model T. It's definitely Ford. It almost looks like a Model T, which would be the first car ever made, but I'm not sure if it is or not. So, got the video here. I might do a little bit of homework to see what this guy is, but pretty old car. Looking at the license plate there, this is the license plate currently, but then they have the original one, I guess, and it says Cal 29. So I'm not sure if that means this was issued in 1929. And so I'll have to go back and see what year the Ford Model T came out, or what models of Ford came out in 29, see which one this is. Okay, so this brings week 17 to a close. And just to give you a heads up, our house has been delayed again, so we will be moving in probably, and this is kind of crazy, but we'll be moving in, it looks like Christmas Eve day. And we will also be getting a lot of deliveries, like a bed and a couch and stuff like that, all being delivered on Christmas Eve. I'm surprised, and a washer, or dryer. So I'm really, and a refrigerator. So I'm kind of, it's kind of interesting that they're actually going to deliver it on Christmas Eve, but they are, so they'll probably get there early, I'm sure. But anyway, that's where we are, and week 18 will start up next week. So you can tune into that one. You can see what we're going to be doing. But again, we're going to be showing you all the great stuff that's happening here in Southern California, and our progress in our move and getting to into our place. But that's what it looks like now. So it's going to be a little more than 4 months out without a permanent residence. But you know, you just roll with the punches, and you just keep moving on, and you make the best of any situation. And we're having a blast out here, so we're not complaining. So anyway, until the next video, I'll see you guys. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.